Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a bit. One command in the terminal, wait for a few lines to appear, so I know it's ready. And one more. Okay, should be ready. I play Sniper today, it seems. Game 1, it's in the browser, localhost for me. Let's reset data, so I start new. I'm the guy in the middle. First I choose a class, I choose Sniper. The sides are enemies. If I come close to them, they attack me. Above my head is my HP. If it reaches 0, I die. If I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. Goal is to get as far away as possible. I get stronger the more I kill, and enemies get stronger further away I am from the middle. So now I try to get as far away as possible. Zooming is currently bad. Boss, I one-shot him, I take split shot, additional charge. I think I have to be a bit careful and wait a bit. Take damage and range and speed, yes. Oh, it's dangerous. Let's wait a bit for my speed to recharge. Next boss, I have Miss Chain, slow trail, load. I 10. See, I get this stack up. Next boss. Another mist chain? No. After image. Could. Unsure. Another mist chain. Another speed. Okay. Pausing. Oops. Let's do split shot or more rifles. Let's do more rifle. Additional charge. I'm an idiot. Okay. I lost 16,000 because I didn't hold my shoot button. I take it. I think my other sniper one was better, so don't need it. What do I work on today? First increase version. 293 today. Next. We should randomly. So I want to go back to map modifier. I have the darkness. It should now spawn somewhere. It should go over time. Probably I want to set its position and make it grow. After it, I have fixed position and it grows. Maybe I make grows each time boss spawns. So will to remove in some switch. Activates boss fight. Give some. I had animation. Don't. The different downside ideas I could. Downside idea. Shadow clones turn to enemy at a time. Another idea. So if I was big. I'm not sure. Let's do this. I be able to be moved. Okay, let's get a fixed starting position for now. Should spawn somewhere, not randomly currently. Should go over time. I have to I had map, I guess. If I'm at map modifier, I reset the map, I guess. Do I check? Keep map. I have game init. I have some map stuff here. I reset the chunks and the active chunk keys. Also think about moving init functionality to its file, but doesn't matter. So this should only happen once. A replay, okay. Sync test, okay. Game test, okay. This only happens once. And so I add the map modifier somewhere. -1000 and 2000 size. So let's go. Can I start smaller? Let's make it easy to find. So I just go to the left. I have it. My darkness. Something is off. I understand the 0 position is still up. I think active chunks. This is the 0 0. This is the middle. Okay. If I 320, 8 times 40, 320, 160. So this is more like 60 is. I think I have the top left. This was -100. The top left corner is my XY, because it's a rectangle. 60 is what I believe is the middle. No. 160. Okay. This won't be in the middle of the path, but it's now middle of the chunk, yes. Don't see these, it's off. Doesn't matter. Now I want. Do I want it to be a circle? This. Ignore for now. I don't care for it to be a circle now. I want it to go. Map modifier darkness. have a type, have an area. Should I feel like I should more level or something? So each time I increase the level, I say it starts with level 0. Or should it start at level 1? Let's take 1 for now. Should I size per level? Size per level, let's call this. This would be size per level would area type? No. Why only type? I'm missing something. I put in a game map area in the game map area. It's more than a type. Game map area. I book something, but what? Ah, it's dependent on the type. Game map area. Does this and let's just put something in here. 100 per level. I would probably want area per level, yes. Let's do area per level. 100 is not a lot. 1,000? 10,000? 100 times 100? Let's try this. But not every... Let me think. I would guess I keep it for now, but this could be optional to my current understanding. It optional. So I will have a area type which doesn't need it. And I currently only have one input. No, it doesn't matter. how I want it to grow. Is it modifier? Do I have functions? Chunk create modify, paint modifier late. Game map modify. I have to look into it again. Map modifier. Create darkness and push it in map modifiers. This darkness is only relevant for painting. Now when I grow modifier, grow area, let's call it this way. I want void, need modifier, and that's it. I take it. Mein map modifier darkness. I have a function, grow area, needs a modifier. I remember this a lot. I change this, so first this should be modifier darkness, modifier is should only be the case, so I will not check for anything else. Modifier darkness. Area. Now area can be different types. Currently have no functions for it. But I think I want the center. But I grow it. Let's see. I say level plus plus. I increase it. If area no. Modify darkness area type is, what can it be? Rectangle. Currently I only care then const area this as area rect game map area rect, and I have square size be area no be Modifier darkness level times modifier darkness area per level. This needs to exist. This is undefined. I return. I cannot grow. So this is point square root, which gives me a side length, and this should we are X and Y. I need to move them and I need to change them. So 8 is I need the it changed 1, so I would assume no, I need the difference. Size diff is area, the square size square. The bigger one, it's a I consider it a square and call it a rectangle. No. This in area width is equals, and I need area x minus equals size diff halved. Same for y. And this is a grow tick, I guess. Yeah, now needs a function for it. Now I need to call it. Will the modifiers go over them? I check something like this. Map modifier. Area. I care for CTX? No. Camera position also not. Game. Okay, I go modifiers. I go with a function for the type. I'm interested in the grow area. And I'm only interested in the modifier, I guess. I go it. This I tick when I spawn a boss. The idea. Game. Boss spawn? Does this check for boss spawn? It is positive level, boss enemy. I put it in here. Could we turn a boolean to no? The boss was spawned. Put it directly in here, then it's directly here. Okay. Now I grow the area. And to think, don't save the size of it. Probably save install. So maybe if I defeat the boss would be another option. But it wanted to be time related. It's boss spawn. Not grow. Because the map is next time no. Because it's not over the check. Actually have to wait. It's away. And enemy check. Wait boss with level. This is indeed not when I spawn the boss. I want it to be trigger able on my cheat menu. It should go now. It shrank. Let's see. Because it's correct. My modifier darkness has 10,000 and I start with 200 times 200. So I would need 40k. Next try. Don't want to wait a minute. So let's put it in the boss enemy. It cannot be if I create a boss with level, I think. Definition. The references. Okay, it's only these two. And it would be fine. This is dangerous. Probably put it here. Keep it here. Put it here in the cheat too. Okay, did I start here? Okay, it's ticking. Let's go. Get bigger. Okay, now reload. Let's give me experience. No, boss spawn. Right. Distinct the middle. Is cutoff line. This is new, but it doesn't matter. Ah, it's not perfectly tile-sized. But it seemed to work still, okay. Doesn't feel like it grows enough. So let's think I want 10 times the size. If I do 1,000 times 1,000, I would be a million. So let's make times 1,000. Now it can be minus 400. Take this. Let's go. I think with 1,000 steps, no, it won't be. Spawn. Died. Think. It's fair. To go over time, I out. What's even in the starting zone? It's fine. So I accept it for now. Move it a bit out. Which means I have goes on boss spawn, which is fine. Should be able to be removed. Want to trigger a boss fight. Should it? So I want a boss fight. I don't think I want to make it stronger if area is bigger. Would mean it's the curse is stronger. Okay. This is was this defeated player moves darkness and gets curse darkness. Stronger. Stronger, so more darkness. is removed. The longer player stands in that boss, let's say, more darkness is consumed, let's call it. Consumed. I feel like it's consumed. No, it's correct. Stronger the more darkness is consumed. Curse stronger. So the next step would be a boss fight. I could I think I don't want to somewhere in there is a boss, I would more or less guess. In the middle is a boss. It's fine. Boss does not leave area. Darkness area. Boss cannot leave. Cannot leave. Darkness area, this should be. Leaving darkness area resets boss, let's say. Should have multiplayer in mind. No, but no player in darkness area resets boss. Boss cannot leave darkness area. Okay. I could start with a default boss. I could behave slightly different. I consider it a boss. Would it take? It's a bit different. Another place in the morning. Think so. Next one is probably the boss. Let's make an in-between commit. This is disabled. Map Modifier can go on boss spawn. This N again. Can we move this? Able to be removed. This is not remove dependent. Move is possible once I defeat him. So this no. So death steps be new boss type. This is a new boss type. Let's call it area boss. I have these two things, but one becomes active once a player is in range. And let's make this more like death steps. Ability. Start with abilities from default boss. Sword. Should this be like a king? Be like a king. Starts easy and gets harder? Probably. But maybe. Make a default king or boss? King or boss? King or boss? King or boss? What is it? I mean, it does not matter if I want to replace it with a specific boss in the long run. Boss would be simpler, I guess. But I want it to be different in the long run. Probably different boss in the future. Or be able to change to different bosses. And there spot. Okay, I think I have enough thought about it. I have to think where to place him. I don't think he should be active chunk dependent. At least if I limit the amount of bosses I have the enemy based on that. a tick and a paint. I will need these. Character type was enemy. Area was enemy. Enemy is just a character. Boss with level, tick boss, get celestial direction won't matter. Boss crown, what? Does someone use this? It's not a king. King crown feels like it's in the wrong position, but let's ignore for now. To enemy. With level. Give him random abilities. Start with a new file. New file. Area was enemy. I will definitely just copy all for now. So out 200 lines, not too much. I have area was enemy character, character type, area was enemy. Area was type, have was with exported. Let's throw it out for now. The tick is something I need. Ticks characters. It's not something I need. Need it. I don't need paint boss characters. This shouldn't be in here. But I think I can do no. Check for boss spawn, no. Get next boss, no. Set ability to enemy level. Boss class based on king, no. Because experience was. I could, or I could just set it. Default area boss with level. I could character image level teeth. Possibilities is probably tick boss enemy character. enemy character area allows this? Because it's the same currently, or if I put something new in here, something number, does he still like it? Okay. No, he says no. He likes it, okay. This doesn't work. He wants character type functions. Character it is. Ticking will also be different in the long run. Won't teleport. Let's do the abilities. I will move tick. Will not do a teleport. Just do a turn here. So this is a simple tick. Don't move it if it's too far away. Don't need a teleport. Don't need this. Create abilities. I will. Don't have possible abilities. I have abilities, I have more or less a melee. Okay, let's start with a melee. Spawn position. And boss enemy character. Okay. The default. So if a level. Already we changed a bit. I have some ticking. Possibilities. Paint. Paint character pads. Abilities default. HP bar. Okay. So this is all fine. Default boss needs a position based on my area. ID counter level. Do I have a level? Don't have. Don't think I need one. Spawn position I have. Okay. Let's remove the level. Next king. Doesn't feel like I need it. Let's see. Move speed is. Let's do a 4. HP. Let's do. This is 10,000. The starting boss is 50 million. So for now I will do 1 million. It's only testing. Maybe 100,000 for testing. Experience worse, I will. So I make level don't need a level, I guess. The boss abilities. Just put the game in. Wait, pets I don't have. Pets, abilities. Possibility. Need a level nor king. I put some level in. Call it number. If I get more, it's easier to change. It's considered it's scaling. 10. This code. I could have kept the level and the scaling would be. Can get it back. Appearance versus is enemy Mia. Okay. 10. Let's make it a 6 for now on 8. No idea how much it is, but let's see. I can create a default boss. I have a spawn position. So if I add the map modifier, but I need the boss to exist on start, I guess. So I need go area on chunk create. This on game init. Have the modifier and the game, and I void, and my modifier darkness would need to mention on it. I spawn the boss. But why is an error in here? I didn't pay attention. The character, okay. To quit default. But game. Have the game. Any game state ID counter. spawn and game. This is spawn was a position. Spawn is modifier. Oh no, it's type related. Undefined starts as undefined. Spawn. I don't spawn anything. Modifier area type rectangle. Spawn is I have yes. I have x is x plus area width up. It's const, no, it's a let. We have a spawn. I have on game init. Oops, not what I wanted. On game init, I need the same. Yeah. On game init. I have on game init game. So modifier game init. Did I do? I have. No. I have here game init. Oh god. To go area. So I fixed it correctly. It's not an on, it's a go area. Okay, modifier on game init. This is on game init. Init. Game init players. This is multiplayer stuff. Reset past characters to damage split. Put it here. Currently an unsure game. Where should it be? Player alpha input. Reset past characters. I do it here. So now I should spawn a boss. I should now call this on game init. This on game init should create a boss. Area was end game state boss stuff bosses. Oh, I will be interested if this breaks anything. I currently don't delete bosses, I guess. Doesn't matter. Does my boss care for being dead? So he should tick. He cares for being dead. So other, I don't. Dead or dying. So we turn on dead. And maybe enough. Wouldn't need to run too far. Here he is, and somewhere in here should be my boss. He should have an HP bar. And it doesn't move. He should use abilities. Only have melee for him, so he attacks me as okay. Closest. You can set move direction to position with passing move. I have. He should run to me. He only doesn't care to move. Let's give him another ability. Ability mini, but immunity, let's say, should create ability. Can I? Okay. Ability level. This is my scaling. Ball sehr faster. Okay, it works, but I don't want it to be this high for now. Okay, I had the problem that doesn't have an HP bar for some reason. But I'm not sure if I paint him this way. Should run over it. Also has no pets yet, but I could still keep the pet paint in. Paint position is dependent on camera position, character. UI looks fine. Did normal bosses? Yes, normal bosses have HP bars. I have to assume I don't use it. Character, enemy. Tick. I get here. No. Do I get here? No. It's ended. It already should tick. The boss exists, I don't get here. So, I'm confused. I know I did not add this, so it makes sense. So I have backup stuff. Characters. Add them here. Let's start with main. I add. Okay. Move it. I test it if it works. Now he wants to me. Doesn't follow me forever, but if I come enough, he will come out. Okay. So now the functions are working. He's following me. Didn't pay attention to it. His HP bar. I think he had one. Now, king got enemy king. This is more character. Domino set character functions basically. Let's go characters, character. Export. Export function. Characters functions. Main on dom load set. Let's keep the order. Them in. To remove some imports here. I enemy. A boss character. I don't have the knowledge of my map modifier. So my map modifier needs an ID. Oh, we need an ID. It's best ID number. Or was there an identifier? No, I think it's just a number. And this should break something. The darkness. Need an ID. Counter. Next identifier. What? Add next ID or something? Okay, here it is. I should have one error. I think I don't have the ID counter yet, but I need it. The counter. I think I have next problem. Map. Create map. Create map has to be without. But I need an ID. Keep it out of here. I create a map. I create a map here. Create a map here. To load this stuff later. It only on create default. Could edit here. Add the modifier. I game state map. T now you don't want? Oh, I need the counter, yes. Game state ID counter. And now edit in-game model. Which means I have the ID. And with the ID I can give my map modifier ID ref. And how can he not complain? Because didn't I create default was I need it. He should return this, and now he should complain if I put it here. That if I return is not a thing character. Is this correct? So now I const map area. No. Area would be character, and I need identifier. He doesn't know what type I want. This one. And I will return the boss. He should now help me and tell me. Can he? Okay, there's a lot more area. No. App modify. Doesn't know this. No, this way he would be fine, but I want to have a number to have in here. I should have again a problem. Which value is it? Name, ID. This should be fine. Now we have character tick. Closest character is no longer that important. It's closest character in area. So I have player character, I determine closest. And if the closest is not in, doesn't matter. What if I can kill him from outside? But if it's a small area, it's possible. So I have inside the min. Maybe I can change it up. If the boss is outside the area, he resets, and once heals to full and once back to the middle, say. Or he just teleports to the middle. I also in distance. This is not correct. He takes damage, he wants to follow. Doesn't matter. I want to start simple. So I will keep this, but character diverse. If I get here. No, I have a return. I need to do it. I need the area. Find area by ID. Modify. No. Find map modifier by ID. Export function. Find map modifier ID. I put in the game. In ID number. And I return undefined or map modifier. I just do game map. Oh, state map modifiers. It's an array so I can find on it. Modifier. It has an ID and this is ID. No, I just return this. Let's keep it as a function, even if it's just one line. It should also undefined orders. Const modifier equals import. Tell me ID is const area was is enemy as should have an ID ref map modifier ID ref. Okay. If don't have a modifier, this would be problematic. If undefined, I turn, don't do anything. Now I would check if I'm outside. Where was X is smaller. Can again have different area types. Need to get stuff. Okay. But for now I keep it simpler. Type equals. It's not a rectangle. I return. I only care for rectangle currently. So I have an area is this one is a rect. Where so this is outside. Oh. X plus areas. Same for Y. Outside. Then I would return, but I said we are max HP and x is equals x plus h. H. No. So yeah, I reset the boss. Let's make a function if side modifier. There we are. I this in. I have there was game and I return. Do I need to return? There we are. Let's see. I now I see he wants to me. He already resets. So the reset works. I feel like how big is the area? Not very big. Maybe I should start bigger. Still 2200. It's next possible. Now he comes. Okay, it's hard to see where it ends. It can easily happen that I pull him outside. Maybe this way it's... oops. One, two, three, four. 2, 3, 4, okay. Okay, now I have him outside his gun. This is, for smaller areas, it's a problem. Also, I can pull him more and more to the side. Maybe I should reset the boss function, reset boss, that area. Just these 3 lines. Maybe it will be more. I mean, he can still have debuffs. My need to reset debuffs. I want the area. This one put remove character. Boss and game. Game. Let's try game. What does reset character do? Move character debuffs. Character. Okay. Pets. This is fine for me. So this should remove debuffs. I want to reset him every tick? No. I could for now keep it. Can be improved a lot. Let's make him a bit weaker. Scaling 4? Make him a 3 or 2. Easy. Snipe. Gets to me. And I reset him. I'm a bit 500, 6, 8. I killed him. His gun. Should I remove the area now? And drop some. I will move it somewhere. Modify. I'm still confused. Let's keep it I to move it. Top left. It will definitely grow. It will definitely reach. Let's do 4K, 4K. I start new. Okay. Also, distance traveled. Okay. Oh no, 4 is higher distance. I also don't know how. Okay, I found it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is far not. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10. 2, 6, 7, 10. So 30 bosses. See, it's close already. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Could it be reset if I kill it for now? Because I have not so much time, but then it's just 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 2, 20 more bosses. Now it's here. Darkness spreads, and should I find the middle? Somewhere in here is something. Did I find it? He is. But it's not clear that he is my enemy. Okay. Can outside? Did I reset him? Should be. Oh, he's still here. Okay. Did I leave him somewhere? Let's. Oh, now can I destroy area? is the last step for today. Or should it? I would say no player in darkness area. I change it a bit if boss wants out. Boss cannot leave area, he resets when he leaves, so once players in range. Yes, more or less. Start ability from default was yes. I think I have these in a way. So let's make a commit in between. I don't have this activated. Map modifier areas. Sync one. Don't want it to be in the game as long as there's no benefit. I feed my pets outside, yes. I know where to click. Them. I don't know if these are my pets. Also, leash them so I know. I can feed them more. I know. Bye. The line which tells me when it doesn't end is helpful in the case that the boss resets outside. Another problem. This first star should be able to be moved. So be able to remove. Boss defeated. Let's think about it a bit more. Don't think I can get anything done today. I don't want to force the darkness curse onto the player. Let's say if boss defeated player. No. if player defeats areas, then we move darkness area and spawn on spawn. This is an ability object. Ability object cause darkness. So and ability object cause darkness is circle area. If player stands in it, player will get cursed. The bigger the area was, I curse is possible. Circle shrinks, less more until disappeared. Until shrinks when cursing the player. Okay. Cursing the player. The longer the player stands in, the more the curse will work. Okay, this is basically this. Okay. And my upside is definitely shadow clones. And my downside, I think I like this more that they turn to enemy after time. So the me moving always happens. So I need make this. Boss, not this. So we move darkness area. I could do this. First question is the area boss dies. Cool. Can I just remove it? It's probably better if they can have function on it, but maybe for the future. Do I just a function for it? Let's import function move modifier. I put in the ID. I think ID is in game. I will just do game state modifiers. Const index to know the index which I remove, and index. A modifier and fire ID equals ID index. Now I splice index. Do I iterate over map modifiers? Attack. I mean, the idea is probably if I spawn it somewhere else. No. This one. Remove darkness area. Spawn new where random. Have a remove option. Is it then a reposition? Recreate? Reset? I will find in the future, so I want to be able to remove it. See on character death. Probably I don't have character functions. Character type functions, where they character model. And on death, I put in here kill character. Here, and I have already types in here which do stuff. which are depend. So this is refactoring. It's a bit more. No, refactor on character kill move code to on files. Fitting files, not everything. I don't do it today. On character kill for area boss. Area boss. This is in here. Okay. Let's see, did I game model? This is not relevant. This is not used yet. I don't need to commit anything of these. And for testing, I need to remove this. So let's reset. Let's get my console. Test replace. Short retry arcs. Does short retry have any indication if the retry worked? I don't know. Oh, all replays still work. So I did not change anything involving them, I guess. Nope. Okay, looking good. So I can push. And this I'm done for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.